boy Sebastian right here, bro. Nah, but bro, we're late as fuck to the Rideout, bro. He's letting me ride his bike, bro. Check out what I'm on right now, bro. Holy shit.
72 volt, 40 amp hour.
Yeah, let's try this out though. Oh, yo, why is there 12 just chilling right there? Holy shit! This thing is powerful. It's like wobbly though. Yeah, guys, we're late as fuck to the Rideout right now. We're just heading over there. I think they're at the Griffith Observatory. I gotta get used to this fucking dirt tires, man. It's so crazy that this is just right in the middle of Los Angeles. It's like a whole ass forest right here, dude. Like, look at all these potholes. Oh god, on the dragster would have been completely horrible. I would have like fallen off the bike. Like, I need suspension, to be honest, bro. I need me a normal e-box. Yo, what up, bro? This is a beautiful street. Oh, I can't wheelie though. Still can't wheelie. Unfortunately, that's all I got. We finally found the boys. Yo! What's up, bro? I haven't seen you in a minute, bro. 5 minutes, bro. This shit's sick, bro. You gonna ride with us to Semo? Semo, what's that?
Santa Monica.
All the way down there?
Oh, right now
that's where we're going?
We're gonna go down, charge in Hollywood, then go Semo.
This thing is sick as fuck, bro.
Thank you.
I wish I had an e-ride. Bro, I'm trying to wheelie this shit, but it's so hard with the dirt tires. Yo, is it the MX-5, bro?
Yeah.
Yo, how does it feel?
Quick, I love it.
It's
the
fast?
range is really good too. It's super fast, goes 60 like nothing.
Damn, bro.
Yeah. I want to get a new controller and make it go like 65.
Oh, that's crazy. Yo, how does it compare to like the e-ride, would you say?
I've never driven the e-ride, but honestly, I'm happy to have. I love it.
Yeah, it's like the same thing almost, huh?
Yeah, same battery, same everything.
Alright, so we're going to Santa Monica Pier? What? Hey, okay. Man, these dirt tires just ain't it for me, bro. It just ain't it. But I'm definitely gonna be getting hella clips of people doing wheelies. Oh! This is a Memorial Day Rideout, bro. It's fucking Memorial Day right now. Happy Memorial Day, bros. And yeah, I know I haven't posted in a long ass time, but trust me, I've always been cooking up content, bro. I've made like 2 videos in the past 2 videos I've made that were complete shit. The views on them were just trash. What the fuck? What the hell is he doing? Oh, what the hell? Yo, you got the dragster, bro? It was at 72 volt, just 60 volt. Yo, I could have brought my dragster, but I'm like, it's not gonna make it. Lucci. Oh, I know you. You know me? Yeah. Dead ass? That's crazy, bro. Oh, it's running low. Say what? It's running low. Yeah, it's running low, huh? Yo, can you wheelie that? Some of my senses. I do not have any more time to spend on being reckless, but protect this spice. And then I hit the road on a very dark night and snore some blow. Maybe get in the fight, waking up to the sound of the sirens. My ink cold, red and blue lights visit on the wall, so now I'm running from my lip and not for the brawl. If I have to, man, you know I leave a stain, and even when I'm drained, I'ma still take a dame. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? We were just charging up for damn near like fucking 2 hours. I kind of had a motorcycle sometimes, you know. Pull up to the gas station, boop, boop, gas up real quick. God damn it. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? I got a bomb, tight on, dropping bombs, dropping bombs, dropping bombs. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? Oh my god. Tight on, dropping bombs, dropping. I'm so devilish in my ways, living your mind in the day, see the rays, disappearing as the clouds go emerge. Oh, okay. This thing is nice. Oh, it's got the ultra V brake. I'm gonna put my feet down just so I can like get that back. Oh my god. I'll be taking over the world. You can watch the umbrellas. I'm taking these flows, and I'm taking your girl, different the pearls, making you hurt when you look at the pearl. She riding with grain, if you know what I mean, bitch. I'm getting some. Oh, we're off. Finally, boys. Damn near 155 years later. Let that go. Let that hand go. Drop the hand. Oh! Yo. Get out of the way. Mira el auto. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is Oh. What the hell? What? Nah, bro, LA is wild.
What the fuck?
Thing knocked the fucking helmet off of my face. Yeah, that's right. Right up. There you go. What the fuck is this kid doing, bro? Terrifies the fuck out of me sometimes. Oh! Yo, chill. Yo, bro, you good? Hey, get the door in my back. He just fell over. God damn, you threw that bitch out her fucking window. These drivers gotta chill out, bro. Don't mess with the e-ride homies. Guys, I just wanted to go on a normal e-bike ride with my friends, you know, ride around the town, have fun. I got all of it. All of it. That turn. Alright guys, we're finna end the YouTube video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, bro. That shit got crazy towards the end, bro. That shit was pretty dope. And yeah guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one.